even a poodle. Search kitchen cat and see your face on Google. This is not no fiction.
Bumbleclot! Reaction. Baccoo bell.
Tyreke. War them one. Start it no. Anything this bad man dead. Gunshot busted in them head dead. Hey, don't run put the reaction boss right now. You're also representing. Yo, right now the clash is going on. What have yo? So right now, me see the clash go on, no people. Me see the clash go on, no people. Me see the clash go on, but me never know what go on. You see the clash man there, and you never tell me about the clash. You never tell me about the Bumbleclot clash. Hey man, me not put. Hey, comment on the video, see a comment for this still, but you never tell me about the clash. But the reaction boss find the clash. Me not lie, me check out one song from the other side, from the dark side, and me not lie. The clash go on nice. You see me I say? Or in other news though, I heard some famous artist lyrics in some people's songs. But we're not talking about that. What do you have to react to? Azariel, pedophile. But you know what, Baccoo? Let me see what you tell you. If you come from Guyana, you don't know a chap. Make us see what going on right now, so DJ Magnum. If you react to your song, you know. But we're going to see what going on for down there right now. You see me I say? The viewers them recommend it. The clash I man there. Make sure we put on that one and post in the car. Lyrics of kick out teeth, forget the dark as there. Lyrics. Hold on there. Lyrics of kick out teeth. For me drop on this. Red June!
Didn't want to feed me. You didn't come to feed me. So I shame you. Cause like how I can go up on social media and cuss selector.
Caution.
I'm begging for help because I need it right now.
Where's that?
How is that? Me Bumbleclot go on now. Me not say 40 go on.
Got to make me can't sleep.
Create scheme. Azariel my name and me don't play game. A boy violate then they got feel pain. Get beat from bed and you got no shame. You should have stayed in your lane. Guyana. Everybody knows the lawless boss. We don't like boys and we don't rate cross them. Can't graduate for come in and get beat from bed and you got no shame. You should have stayed in your lane. Guyana. Everybody knows the lawless boss. We don't like boys and we don't rate cross them.
Hey, you frighten me. When I go down, I go up straight to you say you don't like boys, you don't rate Ross. Me say, what the Bumbleclot you don't say? But what on the damn lyrics that kick? Lyrics that kick, I don't know. We don't like boys. Caution. Caution. Bumbleclot, no run through.
Graduate for come in my class. And anytime they call up my name is Starch. People is swarm to the pedophile Baccoo. He got get a slap on the wrist, dark slap. Shotgun stick to your body like tattoo. Then thugs go kick in your face like a fool. You want fist fight with a gunman. Me don't see that the boy want dead long. You see a kafu when you like and you sing song. My war more tougher than exam. You broke like dog, me no know where you live for. Me squeeze up me trigger till my finger blister. Head back pitch open. Cash register.
Hold on. We need some gunshot to start. We need the actual gun to start busting at the Bumbleclot reaction right now. Cause I'll be a shot of fire. Check if Magnum still alive. You good? Bumbleclot Magnum, go on!
Use a rapist, lawless, go kill ya. Use no big dog, even a poodle. Search kitchen cat and see your face on Google. This is not no fiction.
Bumbleclot! Me Bumbleclot! No, no one a nice complaint. I'm sorry. Search kitchen cat. Hey! My girl pum tight. Go on!
We murder people. Lawless the real definition of evil. You see me stay far and don't come closer. Put your ugly face on a shirt or a poster. Catch you in a traffic and get you the toaster. You better never make me spot the whole roaster. Your man take the snake from your belly, but he can't take out gunshot. Dog win a fight war with tough chat. Fool with them and take win a.
Ooh, no fight war with tough chat, but dog. Search up kitchen cat. That looks like he got face, teeth, and mouth, everything. I want the Bumbleclot lighter there. Reaction. Boss. Run tune, boss. Run tune. You know what this mean, right? Hold on there. You know what this mean, right? Comment some Bumbleclot for emojis right now in the comment section and don't play the reaction boss. What you feel like? Work we are work and chicken we are jerk. Run it.
Frightened fi bust that. God alone and make gun watch me head back. He bad mind cause he knows he career flap. Dog you not even bad like teardrop. All with him I take we not frightened fi bust that. Pussy hole just dead take a dirt now. Device note to the pussy hole send. You know how much time the boy see me since then. The pussy never have the walk. He just got the talk. Speech got.
Me hear someone voice note selling about me never hear the voice note yet. Oh, I did it. Hold on. I'm sorry, me hear the voice note. I'm sorry. But we have to recommend the person who do the artwork here for real. The cover here, me not like it a happen. It bad. Me not like. Go on. I say me go up to AJ to see myself. Go on.
Run up to the Mach 10. Done bust the next to the score is 1-0. Yeah. Faggy like boys, he's a freak when he pop pill. Can't mark me out cause the strike and a standstill. Headache for them and them can't get no hard feel. Attention you want so you get it. Give you the beef for your career and sell it.
Attention you want so you get it. Give you the beef so your career and sell it. Why you so bumbuckle bad? Lawless don't like boys. For pussy girl my choice. Bumbuckle. After this your career get delete. Lawless done great dog elite. Make you feel love you but you provoke me younger. Dog you got dead. Explain to your youth or your rapist mother. Sagittary. Dog, you just dead. Hope your man take the snake from your belly, but he can't take out gunshot. Dog, we not fight for. I hope a song goes so. Chronic Law. Talk facts, rude boy, talk facts. Remember when Chronic Law clash with Jamil? Bumbucklart. But viewers and subscribers, I feel careful what I say and I'm like a reaction of that because the last time, you know, I remember specifically, you know, man. I was like, I get featured in one Bumbucklart diss track response basically. You see me, I say, in a video, I'm not going to tell them what I say. You know what I'm telling you? It's a diss track. You know, look at the thing about Drew and the ex. You see me, I say, me react to Toxic. And I say, somebody up on live asks what is but the Bumbucklart. In the response to Drew Tove and Toxic, when you hear me voice brawling in the Bumbucklart song, me I feel say, Rasclat, reaction boss, make it, you know. So be careful. You see me? So me not gonna say that no more, you know? I just listen to the song and vibe. Because that man calm down right now. Go on.
I with tough chat, roll with them, I take we not frightened fi bust that. God alone and make gun watch me head back.
Yeah.
He bad mind cause he knows he career flap. Dog you not even bad like teardrop. Roll with them, I take we not frightened fi bust that. Pussy hole just dead, take a dirt knock. Tough chat over phone. Gotta get the tough chat when you see me. Yeah. I got something to tell a man, I tell it straight. We don't give a man a voice note. We send a man a voice note. Space. Nobody put dirt on your name. It's dirt on your coffin. Cause it's burial. Azariel, my name and me don't play game. Beat on bed and you got no shame. You should have stayed in your lane.
They dropped the ball. They legit dropped the ball. You done? You done? You have to make sure now because this track them nice nowadays, you know. Them love coming and make a trailers at the end that people are chatting and going. So I have to make sure say done, you know. So right now, DJ Magnum, I have to go see where you're going, you know. I'm searching for channel right now because I have to go get a bad reaction same way to that. You don't know the cash I'm on the way, so we're not pick side, we entertain the people, you know. So I go see what's going right now. So, peace out.